The real estate agent receives a standard rate of commission of 4% on the sale of a house. Calculate the commission on the sale of a house costing $156,000. And so here we need to figure out the commission on the sale of a house costing $156,000. We know that the commission is 4%. So it's going to be 4% of 156,000. And when we say of, we mean multiply. So we say 4%, which is 4 over 100 written as a fraction, multiplied by 156,000, which we put over 1. And so we have 4 over 100 multiplied by 156,000 over 1. Next, we multiply 4 by 156,000, and that gives us 624,000. And we say 100 times 1, and 100 times 1 is simply 100. Next, we divide these two. So we say 624,000 divided by 100, and that gives us 6,240. And so the commission on the sale of a house costing 156,000 is going to be 6,240. Next, they want us to determine the selling price of a house when the commission is 6,960. So this time they want us to figure out what is the selling price of a house, but they give us the commission. So if the commission is 6,960, then what is the selling price of the house? And so we let S equal to the selling price of the house. And if that's the case, then the following is true. If we take 4% of the selling price, then we should get the commission, which is 6,960. Now we say 4%, and 4% is 4 over 100, and we have to multiply it by S, the selling price, to get 6,960. Next, we multiply, we say 4 times S, and 4 times S is 4S, so we have 4S over 100 is equal to 6,960 all over 1. Next, we cross multiply, and so we have 1 times 4S, which is 4S, and we have 100 times 6,960, so we have 100 times 6,960. That's 100 times 6,960. So we have 4S is equal to 6,960 multiplied by 100. In this case, we're going to divide both sides of this equation by 4. But first, we multiply, so we say 6,960, and we multiply that by 100. And when we multiply that by 100, we get 696,000. And so we have 4S is equal to 696,000, but we divide both sides of this equation by 4. And then that allows us to cancel this 4 with this 4. So we're left with S is equal to 696,000 divided by 4. And 696,000 divided by 4 is definitely 174,000. And so that means that the selling price of a house when the commission is 6,960 is 174,000. That is going to be the selling price of the house if the commission is 6,960. And this is your answer to this particular question.